There are going to be two types of cards: a permanent card and a temporary card. Both the cards will have restrictions on access to places within the company as per need. The permanent card will be for employees. It will hold all the primary data of the person and can be used to analyze their presence inside the premises. The temporary card is for non-employees who come not so frequently, like AC technician, housekeeper, electrician, etc. The details in the card will change as per entering. Apart from this, those people who come very rarely, like relative or friend of an employee, will be asked to register themselves using basic details in our application at the gate. Then the appropriate person in the company will be contacted for authorization. After confirmation, the person would be let inside the premises. Our application will save the details present in the card to the database, whenever it is scanned, and the details can be viewed whenever it is wanted through our application from anywhere.
For trucks that enter or exit the premise, we will scan the truck, and get all the details of it as well as the driver. The in time and the out time will be noted for all the trucks that pass through the gate.